Hello everyone, welcome to LOVO AI. So what exactly is this tool? Well, it's an AI tool that automatically generates voices for us. It also has other features like creating and editing videos, automatically adding subtitles, generating images and sound effects, and other tools within its editor. It's an AI focused editor, not a pro one. It's designed to minimize editing. I've used it. I was a pro editor, and I can tell you it lacks typical pro editing tools like keyframes, effects, filters, green screens, transitions. You won't find those here, at least not as comprehensively as in other programs, but it has great AI integrations. To start, just sign in or sign up and you're in, okay? It's that simple. Alright, how can we convert text to audio using LOVO AI? We click Create Project, select Short Voiceover in the text section, then hit Start Project. Okay, as you can see, it's loading. Oh, we've got a server error, but don't worry. Here it's asking us to select or write the text we want to convert. We can choose from various voices: pro, global, multilingual, female, male, and more. We can change the voice, adjust the speed, import text, and modify pronunciation. We can even switch to a different language if needed. There's a voice enhancer for premium users. Just hit generate and it creates the audio. And that's how this tool works. It's really that simple. How can we create automatic subtitles in Jenny? We click on Create Project, go to a new project. I've got one ready here. What we'll do in this project is quite simple. We'll go to the subtitles section. The subtitles are already here. I'll click delete all. It's that easy. We can convert speech to text, make manual subtitles, import them, or use auto subtitles. Here, the AI will generate subtitles automatically. I must say it works quite well. This is how we create subtitles. Once created, we have them here and can customize them. We can change the style if we want or edit the generated text. It's that simple. I hope you found this helpful. How can we generate images using artificial intelligence with LOVO AI? For this, we'll go to the AI generator section where we can create images. I should mention that image generation requires a paid plan. It's in beta, and theoretically we can see sample outputs on the right. However, since we can't test it, I can't confirm this. But basically, how does it work? Well, like any image generator, you write a prompt, which is what you want to appear in the image, and then a negative prompt. For example, if you want a desert but no water, you'd put water in the negative prompt. Using English prompts works best. Remember, prompts go from general to specific. Here's an example. A vast desert with rock formations, bright sun, vegetation. See how it goes from broad to detailed? We'd do the same. Then choose the aspect ratio, horizontal, vertical. There's a preview icon on the left. For output, select JPEG or PNG format, then the SI. And that's how simple it is to generate images. How to create sound effects with LOVO AI? For that, we go to the AI generator, then AI sound effect, where we have the sound generation section. As I mentioned, we have lots of pre-made sounds, right? But basically, how does it work? Well, we write our prompt describing what we want to generate, like a ball bouncing on a metal surface, for example, and then in the output we specify how long the sound effect should last. It could be 1 second, 10 seconds, 5, 6, 7, whatever. Then we click create, and that's how we make our sound effect using Jenny. How can you create a video script in LOVO AI? Well, we'll go to the AI generator, then AI script, where we can easily generate our own video script without much effort. We'd choose the type of video we're making, like a YouTube video. What's it about? It's about LOVO AI, for example. Who's my target audience? AI editors, or let's say video editors. And what's my goal? To educate. What's the video format? It's a tutorial. How long should the video be? Let's say 10 minutes. It'll create the script, not the video itself, of course. You might say this script isn't 10 minutes long. You're right, just hit lengthen. Lengthen makes it longer. It'll regenerate the script. Look, it's done. I can make it even longer. This way, we keep extending our script. I can edit and insert too. We can change the tone, strong, professional, informative, persuasive, select and recreate. So that's it. It's that simple. Alright, let's check out LOVO AI's payment plan. It's as simple as clicking upgrade here. I'll be fair, okay? I'm always fair with tools. Sometimes I say they're pricey, other times I say they're a bargain. Here we have a video editor with many AI tools. Image generation, sound effects, script creation, auto subtitles, and more. First, I should mention there are free tools for voice generation, one of LOVO AI's strengths, like Clipchamp. Some tools, like Clipchamp, even allow automatic video cutting. This isn't sponsored by Clipchamp, by the way. I'm mentioning this tool because it's free. Got it? It's free, I use it, and again, it's not sponsored at all. There's a Clipchamp tutorial on the channel. I'm just trying to warn you, if you're thinking of buying this product, don't. At least not at that price. The price they're asking for, okay? Sure, it's great to have everything in one platform. Sound effects, voices, all in one place. But sorry, the price just isn't right. We're talking about $24 a month, okay? Monthly, it's $29. Yes, first month's $10, but you only get 2 hours of voice generation. In Clipchamp, it's unlimited and free. 5 voice clones, interesting. Automatic subtitles, okay? Auto subtitle generator, full HD 1080p export. All this for $30 a month, okay? Well, unlimited outputs and commercial rights. Then for $48 a month, we're talking about a video editor, folks. $48 monthly is a steep price for a subscription. I repeat, a subscription, right? We get everything in the basic plan plus 5 hours of voice generation, multilingual options, and voice enhancement. I'm not sure what voice enhancement means, as free editors already offer voice improvements, you know? If it's about noise reduction, EQ, equalizer, and compression, I'm sorry, but that's not worth $50 a month, okay? Auto subtitles we had for $30, and now they add script creation, images, and sound effects. That's where the extra $18.19 comes in. Got it? That's the interesting part. Before, we paid $30 and didn't even have access to AI tools, right? Paying $50 for a script generator? You can do that with GPT for free, you know? There are free tools to generate images, but they often don't let you test them. You can't tell if they work well, and it's not crucial for video creation anyway. For videos, you need actual footage, not just images. Constant images make your video cold, monotonous, and boring. Sorry, but that's the truth. Sound effects are fine, I'm not against them, but I've tried it, and it doesn't generate anything too impressive. So, I'm sorry, but $50 a month is just ridiculous, okay? I get that prices are going up, but, well, it depends on what people think. If folks decide $50 a month is cheap and worth it, go for it. I'll say it again. This video editor's only selling point is AI. Everything else is useless as an editor, okay? I mean, it has really basic features that even free editors already have, you know? I won't even discuss the pro version. Spending $150 a month for an editor is just, well, that's just crazy, right? I'm sorry. So, a point in Jenny's favor is that it's online, okay? That's my positive point. But again, Clipchamp is also online. I'm sorry for making that comparison, alright? It might seem like I'm a fan. I don't use Clipchamp to edit, but if I had to edit for free, I'd choose Clipchamp, you know? Seeing Clipchamp being free is better than this paid tool. Well, it drives me a bit crazy, right? So, anyway, this is my review. What would be a fair price I'd pay for this tool? Well, I'm sorry, but $15 a month at most. And that's for the pro version. Pro version, $15 per month tops. You'll say that's too little, not profitable, whatever, but adjust. Come on.